Why do I need a SWIFT BIC code for international wire transfers? Imagine sending money across the world and wondering if it will arrive safely. That's where the SWIFT or bank identifier code comes into play. It might sound technical, but it's actually quite simple. When you make an international wire transfer, your bank needs to know exactly where to send the money. The SWIFT or BIC code acts like a precise address for the recipient's bank. It helps identify the bank, its country, city, and branch, all in one unique code. This way, your money doesn't get lost or sent to the wrong place. Banks and credit unions use these codes to make sure the transfer goes smoothly. The code is part of the messaging system called the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, or SWIFT for short. This system is trusted globally for sending secure payment instructions. When your bank sends a wire transfer, it includes the SWIFT or BIC code to tell the recipient's bank exactly where the money should go. Without this code, the transfer might not be processed at all or could be delayed. Another reason the code is important is because of international banking rules. Different countries have different systems and regulations. The SWIFT or BIC code helps banks follow these rules by identifying the right intermediary banks if needed. These intermediary banks act as middlemen to help move the money across borders. It also helps banks manage their accounts with foreign banks, called Nostro and Vostro accounts, which are used to settle international payments. Using the correct code can also save you money and time. When the right SWIFT or BIC code is used, the transfer skips unnecessary steps, which means fewer fees and quicker delivery. If the code is wrong or missing, the transfer might get stuck or requiring extra verification, causing delays. Most international transfers requiring this code to go through. If you're sending money to a specific branch of a bank, the code can include branch details to make sure the funds go exactly where they need to. In practical terms, when you fill out a wire transfer from at your bank or credit union, you will need to provide the recipient's SWIFT or BIC code. This helps your bank route the payment correctly through the global network. If the recipient's bank doesn't have its own SWIFT or BIC code, it will work with a larger bank that does. This way, the transfer can still happen smoothly. Overall, the SWIFT or BIC code is a key part of international money transfers. It ensures your funds reach the right bank, at the right branch, in the right country, safely and quickly. Without it, international transactions can face delays or even failure. That's why always double-check the code before you send money abroad. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how smoothly your international transactions go.